Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy Ninja Foodi Ranch Chicken that can be made gluten-free as well. Super simple to make in about less than 30 minutes with pantry-style ingredients. So the first thing we're going to do is grab our ingredients. You're going to need about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast. That's about 2 chicken breasts, 3 tablespoons of ranch seasoning or 1 envelope, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and half a cup of chopped sweet onion, along with half a cup of bacon bits. These would be cooked, 1 cup of chicken broth, and a cup of shredded Colby Jack cheese, along with buns, chips, lettuce, whatever you want to serve it with. You would need that as well. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and grab our chicken breast, pat it dry, and coat it evenly with our seasoning. This would be ranch and onion powder. I'm just using a packet of ranch. You can use homemade or regular. Not regular, but just out of the packet, store-bought. And then you're going to place this chicken into the air crisp basket with the Ninja Foodi. You can go ahead and spray that if you want with grapeseed oil spray just to avoid any sticking. And then you can go ahead and grab the pot of the Ninja Foodi, which is the gray pot, and then turn it to the saute function to medium-high heat and add your olive oil and onion. You're going to cook this for 1 to 2 minutes until it's soft. And then after that, just add your bacon bits in. So we're going to go ahead and crisp up those bacon bits and the onions. Once those are done, top the chicken evenly with the bacon and onion. And while saute is still on, add in the chicken broth and just break up anything that may have stuck to the bottom. And then you can leave that broth in there, which is what we'll use for the pressure cooking. So once that is all complete, you're going to put that basket back into your pot of your Ninja Foodi. You're going to set it to pressure cook and then seal the nozzle and cook on high for 8 minutes. Once that's done, quickly release by turning the nozzle to vent, and the chicken should be an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If for some reason it wasn't, you can always air crisp it up until the proper temperature, but it should be at 165 at least. Go ahead and carefully remove the chicken and place it in a pan or in a bowl and shred it with forks, 2 forks. So I'm just shredding it up here. You can leave the broth that's left in the pot of the Ninja Foodi in there because we're going to go ahead and take this chicken now and put it right back in the pot of the Ninja Foodi. And we're going to just mix that chicken in with whatever broth is left. It just gives it some more juice to the chicken. And then we're going to add in the 1 cup of cheese. And it will melt just a little bit, and then we're going to stir that all up. And then you can serve it on your buns, hamburger buns, over a salad. It's actually pretty tasty over rice too. Gives it some great flavor. So we've got that all stirred up, and then we have a great amount of chicken for some sandwiches. So this is what it looks like done for Ninja Foodi Ranch Chicken. You can find this entire recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com along with many other recipes for the Ninja Foodi using all sorts of functions of the Ninja Foodi. So this is how you make this chicken, and I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next one. Thanks so much for tuning in today.